From planning to execution, the government is leaving no stone unturned in making India the destination of choice and selection. As they say, it is now or never. So the government is working in a mission mode to speed up progress and scale up development in every possible dimension. Providing Gati to lay the foundation of Atmanirbhar Bharat, PM Modi has launched PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan for Multimodal Connectivity.
पीएम गति शक्ति नेशनल मास्टर प्लान भारत के इसी आत्मबल को, आत्मविश्वास को, आत्मनिर्भरता के संकल्प तक ले जाने वाला है। ये नेशनल मास्टर प्लान 21वीं सदी के भारत को गति शक्ति देगा। नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और मल्टी मॉडल कनेक्टिविटी को इस नेशनल प्लान से गति शक्ति मिलेगी।
Let's get to know more about PM Gati Shakti. PM Gati Shakti is a big game changer in redefining infrastructure and technology, as infrastructure creation in India had suffered for decades from multiple issues. Once a road was constructed, other agencies dug up the constructed road again for activities like laying of underground cables, gas pipelines, etc. This not only caused great inconvenience but was also a wasteful expenditure. To address such issues, the Government of India has ensured unprecedented focus on infrastructure through a holistic outlook. Here, PM Gati Shakti will play a major role in addressing the past issues through institutionalizing holistic planning for major infrastructure projects. Instead of planning and designing separately in silos, the projects will be designed and executed with a common vision. Further, it will incorporate the infrastructure schemes of various ministries and state governments like Bharatmala, Sagarmala, inland waterways, dry land ports and Udan. This initiative will help in making Indian businesses more competitive, as under PM Gati Shakti, economic zones like textile clusters, pharmaceutical clusters, defense corridors, electronic parks, industrial corridors, fishing clusters, agri zones will also be covered to improve connectivity. PM Gati Shakti is of huge benefit to common people. Let's get to know how. PM Gati Shakti is a result of the government's constant endeavour to build next generation infrastructure, which improves ease of living as well as ease of doing business. The multimodal connectivity will provide integrated and seamless connectivity for the movement of people, goods and services from one mode of transport to another. It will also facilitate the last mile connectivity of infrastructure and also reduce travel time for people. PM Gati Shakti will provide the public and business community information regarding the upcoming connectivity projects, other business hubs, industrial areas and surrounding environment. This will enable the investors to plan their businesses at suitable locations, leading to enhanced synergies. It will improve the global competitiveness of local products by cutting down the logistic cost and improving the supply chains, and also ensure proper linkages for local industry and consumers. PM Gati Shakti is based on the pillars of comprehensiveness, prioritization, optimization, synchronization, analytical and dynamic. With the help of PM Gati Shakti, all ministries and departments will now be able to visualize, review and monitor the progress of cross-sectoral projects through the GIS platform, as the satellite imagery will give on-ground progress periodically and progress of the projects will be updated on a regular basis on the portal. Through such endeavours, the government has ensured unprecedented focus on infrastructure through a holistic outlook, thus easing the lives of citizens. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.